Alright, got a little surprise in the mail today. My amplifier. I can't show the whole box because of my address. Alright. Come on, put up. There it is. Hide the address. Move shit away. Still building a speaker box here, so there she is. And let me pause the video, then I will unreveal this beast. Alright, that was quick. Not too bad, not too bad. Cables and junk. Alright, I got to pause video again. Alright, I just had to pull it out of the box. This was in the bottom of the box there. Little bass knob, plastic, and of course info. This is pretty stout. Got some weight to it. I gotta pause the video again. Son of a bitch. Yeah, there she is. It was nice. Nice size cooling fan. Another cooling fan. And that was my selling point, the whole cooling fan, and this amp goes to 0.5 ohm. It's stable with that. I had a couple other ones I was looking at. Scar was one, the CAB amp, which is a very, very good quality amp at a very cheap price. So I went with this because of the cooling fans, and it goes lower ohm. Damn dog whining. So yeah, that's the reason why I went this way. Same price as the others. You paid like $249 or $259 at Amazon. Watched a couple of reviews on them. They all say good things about them. It's just too bad Percision Power isn't like it used to be. They have actually a really good history back in the day. All the classic amps and stuff were just bar none. You couldn't beat them. Matter of fact, JL Audio, they used the Percision Power during their competitions back in the day, like a long time ago. And it used to be around $1 to like $5 a watt for their amplifiers, and it still holds today that they're one of the best amplifiers, the classic ones. These new ones now, this says it's 7,000. It's not no 7,000 watt. It did like 3857 or something like that on a dyno at half ohm, which is still good. At $250, you know, that much wattage, that's phenomenal. But it is a pretty amp. It is a pretty amp. Just too bad that they sold out and they cheaped out. Of course, then I wouldn't be able to afford this amplifier then. You know, this thing would be, if it was true to its word, 7,000, it would have done 7,000 watts, and it probably would have cost $7,000, if not more. But I'm happy with it. I just get to see power my three 12-inch RE SE 12s. A little dirty. It's still sitting on a box here with a pizza box.